Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about luxury kitchens. So in a luxury kitchen, the thing that you can definitely do that carries on the luxury feel throughout your kitchen is to add a waterfall island. This is called a waterfall island. It basically takes the same countertop and puts it all the way down to the floor. I personally love this. I have it in my own home, and it just makes such a difference so you don't see any kind of sheetrock or cabinet or anything on the exterior, because it does have the island countertop that goes all the way down like a waterfall. So it just makes your kitchen look super luxurious and grand like this does. And so I personally love this, and it just looks so great. So this is not a white kitchen, as most people can say, because the countertops are not white. It's like a light gray color, which I also really love. Another thing to do in luxury kitchens is hardware. Super simple to do. You can add, they've definitely done the gold textures, which I personally love. And so these are just simple little easy things, but you can see how glamorous this kitchen is. We are in $1 million home, so it is very fitting to add the waterfall island. But if you are building a home and that is an option, it is definitely worth it, because as you can see, it just makes it look way more luxurious. And so that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone